Now, let's look at baby's motor development from 2 to 6 months. And then I'm going to show you my recommended Montessori toys, Montessori aligned toys, and household objects. So during the first few months, babies move and swing their arms with little control. And then gradually at 4 to 6 months, they begin to gain control of arm movement. And also at this age, they have the ability to grasp objects with their whole hand. So that's an important skill, grasping. And then they also start with the play with their fingers at 3 to 4 months and able to hold objects for a brief period of time. And of course, they like to bring objects into their mouth. So make sure what we're offering them is safe for them to put in their mouth. And then the babies start to roll over from front to back at about 4 to 6 months as well, and able to lift their head and chest while they're on their tummies. And while on tummy, they will also wave their legs and their arms. I'm going to show you a video and I want you to observe this little one, okay? You see the arms, both hands grabbing to that ball? How about the legs? What is the legs doing? So most babies start to show arm movement again when I mentioned 4 to 6 months. And this can include flailing their arms around, reaching for objects, and even waving goodbye. So while it may seem like arm movement is just a way for babies to explore their surroundings, it's actually an important role in their development. Well, we know that, right? So for example, arm movement helps babies learn about cause and effect. When they wave their arms and something happens, a toy falls off the table, for instance, and they start to understand that their actions can alter their environment. Additionally, the arm movement isn't just cute, it's an important milestone in a baby's development because they can manipulate objects using their hands and they are able to discover what their hands can do. Okay, now we're going to talk the general aims of the toys that we will offer for this age group. It's very important that for this age group, we offer them visual, tactile, and auditory experiences. Because, when we offer this type of toys, then they understand and interact with the world around them. They explore and, that's how they learn their environment. So we should provide opportunities for children to experience all three. And then children to explore. So it should be an integral part of the child's life.